I've always wanted to be in the movies, and now with my new teeth, I think I could be in the movies. My name is Beth Anne. I'm from Pineville, West Virginia. I was missing a lot of teeth. The teeth I did have were not good, and what I had was infected, so this was very much needed, but over the years I didn't put money into my teeth because I had kids. My bridge didn't fit right, and it left a gap in my teeth, and it was not comfortable, and it just wasn't working. The first time I saw my new smile, I felt beautiful. Things I didn't do before I got my dental implants was smile very much. I feel more confident, much more confident. The team was great. I just felt at home when I got here. I just felt comfortable being here. It just, from day one. Would I recommend dental implants if you were having problems with your teeth? 1,000 times yes. If I had to do it all over again, I definitely would do it. They're just awesome. They explain everything to you. You know what's going on. It's just, they make you feel at home. I'm very happy with them. I've always wanted to be in the movies, and now with my new teeth, I think I could be in the movies.